In this section, I will demonstrate how to use and apply self-healing bioenergy therapy and a heated Wheatpack for muscle cramp in the calf muscles. First of all, what is muscle cramp? There are two muscles in the lower area of the back of your leg, commonly called the calf muscles. These two muscles make up your calf. When these internal muscles become overstretched or strained from overexercise or sport, fibers can become torn, resulting in pain and discomfort in this area. This injury is quite common among runners and athletes. Long-term injury to these muscles can result in chronic and acute pain. It can also cause acute pain from persistent short-term overstretching or overpulling of these calf muscles. The symptoms related to pulled calf muscles can vary depending on the severity of the damage incurred and the level of pain experienced. The feeling in the muscles can be a feeling of intense to sharp pain in the calf muscles. You may have difficulty with any movement of the affected leg, including standing or walking, and your mobility may also be affected, which can create a major problem with your normal everyday activities, sporting activities, or exercising. The possible cause of muscle cramp or pulled muscles in the calf of the leg can include overstretched or torn tendons or ligaments in the calf muscles. It can include strain, damage or injury from overexertion, overexercise or intense training. It may be from weightlifting, fast cycling, walking or running without prior warm-up exercises. This self-healing program presents a simple and effective way to help you deal with specific health concerns. You can learn how to hold your hands in several positions and direct life force energy through joints, limbs and muscles, plus many areas of the body that may need healing. The principle involved in using bioenergy therapy is to direct and apply life force energy to help clear and unblock any stagnant or blocked energy, and to help stimulate and activate healthy blood supply at a cellular level to any area of the body that needs healing. I will now demonstrate these self-healing bioenergy hand positions which you can apply for muscle cramp in the left calf muscles. To begin the session, rub your two hands together vigorously as I'm demonstrating. This is to help stimulate, activate and build up the life force energy you have in the palms of your two hands. Place your left hand on the outside of your left leg above the calf muscle and your right hand on the inside of your leg below the calf muscle. Then place your left hand on the outside of your leg below the calf muscle and your right hand on the inside of your leg above the calf muscle. Then place one hand each side of the calf muscle, directing this life force energy straight through the calf muscle. You can also place your hands in 2 or 3 different positions each side of the calf muscles. The aim is to apply life force bioenergy through this area from several different angles, diagonally and straight through the joint. Hold each of these positions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then place your right hand against the inside of the calf muscles. Use your left hand to make circular movements anti-clockwise all around your calf muscles. Continue to use this draw-out technique as you draw your hand away from the calf muscles. This is to help unblock any blocked or stagnant energy. After 2 or 3 circular movements of your hands, shake off and throw away any residue of possible blocked or stagnant energy that you may feel from the left hand and fingertips. Imagine you are gathering up cobwebs and then throwing them away. Repeat these circular motions and this draw-out technique 10 times. You can repeat this complete sequence of techniques as many times as required until the pain has reduced or diminished. Left and right hands can be interchanged. Use whichever hands are most comfortable for you to use for the various positions on either side of your body. The combination of bioenergy and using a heated Wheatpack can help muscles, tendons, ligaments and the skeletal system to relax and heal at a deeper level and assist the body's own natural inner healing process. I will now demonstrate how you can apply a heated Wheatpack to the left calf muscles. Support your leg by resting it on a stool. This makes it easier to apply the Wheatpack to the calf muscles. Having previously heated the Wheatpack, place it gently underneath the back of the calf muscles. You can leave the Wheatpack in this position for as long as required. You can, if you wish, use 2 Wheatpacks side by side underneath your left calf muscles to cover the sides of the muscles. The Wheatpack will gradually cool down, and when fully cooled down, you can reheat it again and then apply it to the calf muscles for a further period of time. The heated Wheatpack can be applied outside of clothing or against the skin. The combination of bioenergy therapy and a heated Wheatpack can be applied at any time for your own self-healing. The complete sequence of using bioenergy therapy plus applying a heated Wheatpack can be repeated as often as required. All of the techniques you will see demonstrated on this healing program can also be applied to you by another person to help you with your healing process. This completes your self-healing program for working on muscle cramp in your calf muscles.